Okay guys, let's get into this hair. So as you can see, we have TedHair, BXW, and of course ours TedHair. Okay, so as you can see, the X hair is kind of full, but it is a little stringy. BXW hair, not quite like ours. Okay, let's get into the TedHair. You see it's full, luxurious, and not stringy whatsoever. So of course, we sampled and straightened all 3 vendors. And of course, we'll show you. X hair, it's okay. BXW, not quite like TedHair. No frizziness, still have its silkiness. Okay, set your temperature, not too high. And we're going to give it a try. All right, so now we're curling. Notice that the TedHair is not frizzy like the X hair. The BXW hair left a lot of straightaway ends. Don't like that. And our hair, voila, the bounciness, no frizziness. All right, so of course, you're gonna mix your powder. We're gonna put our developer, and we're gonna give all 3 hair samples a try. And let's see what it do. Mix, mix, mix. Come on, mix that stuff up. Okay, so of course, we're gonna apply the bleach to all 3 hair samples. Of course, the competitor's hair and plus our hair, Ted's hair. A lot asks, how does the hair bleach? Does it bleach well? Well, you be the judge of that. Of course, Ted hair is on the right. We're gonna give it a try. Of course, we have the competitor's hair at the top, and of course, our Ted hair is at the bottom. As you can see, the curls is not frizzy, and of course, look at theirs, not so good, frizzy. And oh my gosh, the bounciness, the luxurious Ted hair beat the competitors once again. Okay, let's get into the straightening. So how well does the hair straighten after bleaching? Let's see. As you can see, the hair straightens very well. A lot of hair usually don't take color well. So we're going to show you the difference in our Ted hair. So, of course, we tested all 3 brands. Of course, that's their brand, and ours, of course, on the right, TedHair brand. Curls looking so amazing. Also straightens back very well. Let's see how these curls hold up in 3 days. This is day 1, okay? We looked at all 3 vendors, and of course, TedHair curls still was good. This is day 2. Look at TedHair, them curls still holding. Now look at day 3. Let's see if TedHair is still holding. Oh my God. So why not choose TedHair?